Well, welcome to a new edition. Oh, this mask. Take that down a bit. This Triple Chips Adventures vlog, where we can't be doing many adventures because there's so many limitations still where we live. So I'm going to be doing some indoor adventures. Got to renovating this shower slash bathtub. Already got all the backer board put up. What I'm going to be doing next is I'm going to use the Red Guard water membrane. You want to see more on it? Just go to my unboxing, Triple Chips Unbox the Box. I'll have a link to it at the end. I'll just show you some of the specs and stuff on it. But we're going to be doing this video, going to be applying this. Going to do 2 coats of it. I'll tell you how long it takes to dry in between coats. But so first, what you want is some rubber gloves. Need some type of N95 mask. I got a 3M one here. You want to have some eye protection. You're going to need a paint stir stick. And then what you're going to need is, I just picked this up at the dollar store, but get yourself a new roll. Put on a standard paint roller. This is going to be for doing the main ones. I'm going to use the brush to go around in all the smaller surfaces. Then I can just apply this on afterwards. And just a regular paintbrush will do. But what you want to do first is, when you open this, it's all like a pink sort of color to it now. You don't need to put it in a paint shaker or nothing, but just give it a bit of a stir before you pour it into your paint tray. You just stir it up a little bit. Has a little bit of water on it, but don't worry about that. And it ain't gonna wash off. Once it dries, it's gonna be like a rubbery surface to it. Get down there a little bit deeper. Way. We're simply just going to pour some in our paint tray here. I'll just put a little bit because I haven't done this before, so that kind of drip off. I can scoop up some of this with this. And this is water soluble only when it's in the wet state. Once it dries, it is not anymore. So I'll just simply put this down here for now. Throw the lid back on it. I guess I just leave that in there for now. So we're going to start off on first. Put my mask on. You're going to want to get some on your paintbrush. And then just apply it, just like you're painting. It's just like a fancier version of painting. I'm just going to go around certain parts where I don't want the roller to go. Stuff is very thick. I put a nice thick coating on to begin with. And do it in your corners also. Now look, I got a little bit on there, but don't worry about that. Once that dries, it'll just peel off. It ain't gonna wreck your tub or nothing. It's gonna turn into rubber. On my pipe there. Okay, I don't want to bore you guys too much. I'm just going to get all the corners and stuff. And I'll be right back with you when I start to use the roller, which I have right behind me here. So I'm just going to finish these up, and I'll be right back with you, so stay tuned. And we're back. See, I got all the outside corners done. Might have to touch it up a little bit, but now we're going to use the roller for all these bigger sessions in here. And then there'll be one more coat after this dries. See, it's already starting to turn a bit red here, so it's already drying there, but so I'm just going to get the roller here. Don't use a really deep roll. You don't want this to soak in too much. So go with something a little bit shallower. Get it all on there. Get the last side turn. There we go. So let's give this a try. Just like that. Like butter. I'll just show you guys a little bit of this because it's probably boring. It's just like painting. I'll show you a few more rolls here. And when this all turns red, we're just gonna put on a second application. It's all gonna turn red first though. That means it's dry. And then when I do I'll do a little epilogue at the end to show you how it's all turned red. But I'll do a second coat before I show you the end part. I won't show you myself doing a second coat, but then in the next video it's going to be showing you how to apply mortar, or I could be showing you how to cut tiles because I got a tile saw too, so I'm going to be doing several do-it-yourself videos. But I'll do one more roll first and then I'll give you guys a break so the video's not so long. I want to make sure you get all the board nice and pink. I might actually go over some of these screw holes with a brush. But just something like that. Just going a little bit thinner with the roller here though, but okay, I'll be right back and this will be all done. So it's going to take me a little while, but I'll give you some of the facts and figures how long this took to do roughly. Might be different on yours. Depending on the temperature conditions and stuff, makes all different variables in it, but I'll catch you soon. Be right back. And we're back. We're finally got this step done. Excuse me. I used about 3/4 of the can up. That is my second coat. I did it all with the roller. I used the paintbrush in the corners and on the edges. So roughly, it takes about an hour to 2 hours to let it dry, and then it turns red. And then I'm gonna let this dry overnight because I'm gonna be doing some tiling tomorrow. But let it fully dry. Like this has to be completely dry before you put any mortar on it. So probably total time of actual applying, probably 2 to 2.5 hours. This depends on how quick you paint. You just want to make sure you seal up any cracks or holes or anything in it. These holes are just for where the equipment's going to come out. But so if you want to see an unboxing on this, just go to Triple Chips Unbox the Box. If you want to follow this channel, which is Triple Chips Adventures Vlog, we'll be showing you how to do mortar next and how to install tiles. So until next time, have a great day or night. Catch you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. This one's done for now.